MojiPops Challenge! Make sure you stay to the end. Hi, this is Chelsy, aka the Lady C. Today, I am with my best friend, Henrik. Hi! And today, we're going to be opening some MojiPops! So basically, MojiPops have reversible and interchangeable faces, and they have really cool expressions. So we have a I Like Pets Pet Club set, and we have a PhotoPops set. We also have an 8-pack with 2 glitters inside.
Also, we have blind boxes and blind bags.
Okay guys, so now we're going to start opening them. Ken's going to open the PhotoPops and I'm going to open the Pet Club. So let's do this.
Yay!
So let's open.
Say cheese!
Okay guys, so we just opened our sets. Mine is a Pet Club and Ken's is
A photograph set with a stage.
So basically they're on stage.
Yeah, on stage.
Say cheese!
And they have these accessories to put on them when they want to like one hold down when they want to like take a picture.
Okay guys, so now let's open some blind boxes and blind bags. The blind boxes and blind bags. By the way, I should say a big thank you to MojiPops for sending me these MojiPops because they're so cool and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Look,
So,
guys.
wait, I think it's no, but look, me and Kenrich got the same one.
Yeah. I got these twins. Yay! Blue and purple. So I have Squidty and Mona.
That's as much as I needed.
I got a chocolate.
This is Floaty, and she's a boat from the travel section.
Yeah.
So guys, we're just gonna open up this 8-pack. So let's do it.
Wait, without me?
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apollo 11 is going away with a face on the side of it. Dun, 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 dun. And the ghost is now following.
And the ice cream.
Oh my god. I thought the MojiPops were like amazing because they're like so cute, and if you're lucky enough you can get one of these glitter ones, which they're so cute as well. And I really like how they can change their faces, so that if you get bored of one face you can just flip it over and you can swap their faces. So that's really fun.
I like these. My favorite one is this chocolate bar one. It's because it's so cute. It's actually fun to me because you can swap these faces around and do role plays with them.
Okay guys, I'm so excited because we're going to be doing a challenge! We're going to be doing the MojiPops Challenge! If you want to join us, make sure you follow these rules. You need to get your 10 favorite MojiPops, and then you have to try and copy the MojiPops expressions. Let's do this challenge! much to MojiPops for sending me these MojiPops. We had so much fun opening them. And if you want to buy your own MojiPop, make sure you go check out a good toy store, the supermarket, or the newsagent. Why don't you try this challenge at home by yourself or with your friends, because it's so much fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below. Do you like MojiPops? And make sure you like the video and press the notification button so then you know when a new video is out. And yeah, so anyways guys, have a good day.